Hi friends, welcome to English Online. And in this video I'm just going to talk about some of the short tricks which helps you or which can help you to speak faster English. अगर आप फास्ट इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, इफ़ यू वांट टू बी फ्लुएंट इन स्पीकिंग और यू वांट टू बी अ फ्लुएंट स्पीकर बनने के लिए एक्चुअली हमें केवल ग्रामेटिकल नॉलेज या वोकेबलरीज ऑफ इंग्लिश हेल्प नहीं कर सकता है. उसके लिए हमें कुछ ना कुछ ट्रिक्स एंड शॉर्ट कॉन्स्ट्रक्शंस को ध्यान में रखना होता है. तो दोस्तों आइए, इस वीडियो में मैं लेकर आया हूँ आपके लिए कुछ कॉन्स्ट्रक्शंस विच कैन हेल्प यू अलॉट टू इम्प्रूव योर self and of course give you fluency. So the heading, as the heading says, you speak faster. Let's speak faster with these short constructions, and of course you have to learn them for a way like I have got to go. Wherever you get got to go, it means got to go is referred as gotta go. Gotta go, remember, got टू गो को हम गोटा गो बोलते हैं. आई वांट टू गो को वाना गो एंड गॉट टू गो को गोटा गो. आई हैव गॉट टू गो, आई गॉटा गो, आई हैव गॉटा गो. आई हैव गॉट अ बुक, हेयर आई हैव गॉट अ बुक. हेयर गॉट a changes into gotta, got to also changes into gotta. Want to, रिमेंबर, जब कभी भी want to लिखने होते हैं हमें आपको इसे याद रखना है कि जब हम want to को एक साथ बोलते हैं, रिमेंबर ये जनरली हमारे स्पीकिंग में काम आता है. वी जनरली यूज देम इन स्पीकिंग. वेन एवर वी गॉट टू गो वी से गॉट अ गो. और जब want to के साथ कुछ हमें यूज़ करना होता वी यूज़ wanna. Remember, want to is used as wanna. Wanna dance. Do you wanna dance? Yeah. So want to, do you want to dance के जगह पे do you wanna dance बोल देंगे. Want to is used as wanna. Want to banana. See, do you want a banana? So wanna banana. Do you want a banana? So wanna banana indicates want to or want. Now next one is very frequently used short construction, that's let me in. लेट मी, जब आप लेट मी को यूज करते हैं तो लेट मी यूज हो जाता है लेमी. रिमेंबर, लेट मी इज स्पोकन एज लेमी. लेट मी इन इज शॉर्टली सेड लेमी इन. Let me go is shortly say let me go. Let me in, let me in, let me go, let me in, let me in. Remember, let me in, let me on, let me go, let me go. Next one is I'll let you know. See, let you know, ये let you जो है इसको हम लेचा नो बोलते हैं. लेच, सी, I'll let you know इसको हम बोलते हैं I'll let you know. let you know, ये लेचा जो है let me को कंस्ट्रक्ट करके लिखा जाता है. तो जब कभी भी let you लिखें तो लेचा आप बोल सकते हैं. हाँ, that is to indicative. लेचा गो, लेचा नो. Did you do it? Did you desire? Did you do? Desire do it. Did you do it को हम desire do it बोलते हैं. desire do it. Did you को construct करके desire बनाया जाता है. Now not yet. Not yet is written as not yet. Not yet. See, not yet. Let not yet को not yet बोलते हैं. Not yet is in short. Let, yeah, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I'll meet you later. Whenever you talked about meet you later, तो meet you को आप बोलते हैं मिचू. See, I'll meet you later. Meet you later. I'll meet you later को simply हम बोलते हैं I'll meet you later. I'll meet you later. Here meet you will be written as meet you. Meet you later. Later. What do you think? What do you think को हम constructed form में what do you think. See, what do you think, what do you think, what do you think, what do you think is indicative. Now what did you do it? What did you do with it? What did you do को what you do it, what you do with it, what you, remember, what did you do को what you do हम बोल सकते हैं and बोलते हैं. just for frequently and being fluent, you should follow these sentences rather than using these sentences. See, how did you like it? How's like it? How did you like it के जगह पे आपको क्या बोलना है? How's like it? How's like it? How's like it is indicative of how did you like it. When did you get it? When did you get it? When you get it. When you get it. When you get it. Instead of when did you get it, you have to say when you get it. Now next one is why did you take it? Why did you take it? किसी चीज के लिए अगर बोलना है, instead of that you say why you take it? Why you take it? Why you take it? Why you take it? You is indicative as why you take it in constructions. How is it going? How's it going? See, how's it going? How's it going? And the last one is don't you get it? Don't you get it? Don't you get it? So guys, I hope you understood what I mean to say. If you want to be fluent, if you want to speak English fluently, go on using these all constructed form of sentences or constructed form of rule. The most frequently used is want to as wanna, and go to as gonna, go to as gonna be, wanna be, and let me as lecha. So watch this, and of course you're gonna learn lot many things. Let me bring more videos for you. Share, subscribe, and be in touch. Take a moment to click the bell icon so that you can get the update of each and every video I update. Thank you and have a cheerful, wonderful day.